What's going on today, guys? This is Justin, and today we're going to be looking at how to hard reset your iPhone. Now, the first scenario today is going to be for if your iPhone's having difficulties. Maybe your screen actually is glitching, or maybe your screen locked up, or maybe your phone just locked up and you're unable to use it and you don't know what to do, and you're like, hey, I just need to reset my iPhone, but I don't want to lose any of my information. The first hard reset we are going to be looking at, don't let hard reset scare you. It is actually not going to delete anything on your iPhone. In fact, this is the best way to get rid of any problems on your iPhone without actually having to take it into an Apple store. The second option today is going to erase everything on your iPhone and is going to be definitely something to take in consideration before performing this task, as you will lose everything and is only meant for somebody who is totally okay with losing everything and knows exactly what they are getting into. The first one is going to comprise of rapidly hitting the volume up button, volume down button, and then pressing and holding the sleep wake button. Now, you're not holding any of these buttons except for the sleep wake button. So when you press the volume up and volume down, it's simply a quick tap, up, down, and then you press and hold the sleep wake button until your phone turns off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go, but I usually hold on for just a couple seconds extra just to make sure everything's performing operable. The second one you're going to want to do is to actually hard reset your phone to get rid of all of the information on it. This would be great for someone who's looking to give away their phone, sell their phone, or this could be for extreme measures if your phone is having issues, as usually the hard reset talked about in the beginning of this video would be the best bet. The way to do this one is going to be Settings, General, and Reset. You're going to want to hit the Erase All Content and Settings, but you're going to want to pump the brakes here because you're going to want to make sure you are positive that you're looking to actually erase all content. And Settings, this puts your phone back to factory reset defaults as if you bought it out of the box. So definitely keep that in mind before doing this one, as you will lose everything and need to have a backup so that you can actually put your phone into the identical mode before.